This dance is called Louisiana Swing. It's a 32 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on our right foot, walk forward, right, left. Mambo step forward, forward rock, close. Hitch the left, step back on the left, hitch the right, step back on the right, into a coaster cross. Do that section once more. Off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo step, hitch back, coaster, cross. Small step to the right as you sway right, sway left, chassé to the right, making a quarter turn at the end. Step forward on that left, pivot yourself 3/4 of a turn so you end up back facing the front wall. Step to left as you sway left, sway right. Now that is the equivalent of a full turn with that pivot. If you don't wish to do that, sway, sway, chassé quarter turn, forward rock, and then as you sway, make a quarter turn to the left. Those who are turning, sways off on the right. 7, 8, sway, sway, chassé, turn, step, pivot, sway, sway. So add that to the top. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo step, hitch back, coaster, cross, sway, sway, chassé, turn, step, pivot, sway, sway. We're going to make another chassé now to the left with a quarter turn on the end. Chassé, quarter turn. Rock forward on the right, recover the weight on the left. Into some Sala steps, slightly modified because you're going to travel backwards when you do them. So Sala step, Sala step. So slightly travelling backwards. So that section once more. Chassé to the left with that quarter turn. 7, 8, chassé, turn, forward rock, Sala step, Sala step. Add that to the top. Walk, walk, mambo off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo step, hitch back, coaster, cross. Sway, sway, chassé, turn, step, pivot, sway, sway. Chassé, turn, forward rock, Sala step, travelling slightly backwards. Okay, to finish the dance then, cross the right behind the left, unwind yourself half a turn to the right. Rock to the side on the left, recover into an extended weave. Behind side cross, side behind side step forward. So you do that last step, it's a step forward. So that section once more then. Crossing the right behind the left. 7, 8, behind unwind, side rock, behind side cross, side behind side step. Let's add that to the top, that's the end of the dance. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo step, hitch back, coaster, cross. Sway, sway, chassé, turn, step, pivot, sway, sway. Chassé, turn, forward rock, Sala step, behind unwind, side rock, behind side cross, side behind side step. So that's your dance. We go through it now with the counts. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So it's a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk. Mambo step, hitch back, coaster cross. Sway, sway, chasse, turn, step. Pivot, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, forward rock. Sailor step. Behind unwind, side rock. Behind side cross, side behind side step. Walk, walk. Mambo step. Hitch back, coaster cross. Sway, sway, chasse, turn, step. Pivot, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, forward rock. Sailor step. Behind unwind, side rock. Behind side cross, side behind side step. Walk, walk. Mambo step, hitch back, coaster cross. Sway, sway, chasse, turn, step. Pivot, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, forward rock. Sailor step. Behind unwind, side rock. Behind side cross, side behind side step. So that's your dance, that's your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk. Mambo step, hitch back, coaster cross. Sway, sway, chasse, turn, step. Pivot, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, forward rock. Sailor step. Hand on wide, side rock, weave. Walk, walk. Mambo step, hitch back, coaster cross. Sway, sway. Chasse, turn, step. Pivot, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, forward rock. Sailor step. Hand on wide, side rock, weave. Walk, walk, mambo step, hitch back, coaster cross. Sway, sway, chasse, turn, step. Pivot, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, forward rock. Sailor step. Hand on wide, side rock, weave. Walk, walk, mambo step, hitch back, coaster cross. Sway, sway, chasse, turn, step. Pivot, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, forward rock. Sailor. Behind one, step, weave. Walk. Sway. Chasse. Unwind. Walks. Sway. Chasse. Unwind. Hope you got that one, I quite like that one.